Elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth and belong to the family Elephantidae. They are highly intelligent and social animals, known for their distinctive appearance and impressive physical characteristics. Physical characteristics. Elephants have a large, elongated trunk that serves as a multi-purpose organ. They use it for breathing, smelling, drinking water, and grasping objects. The trunk has over 100,000 muscles, making it incredibly versatile and dexterous. They have 2 long, curved ivory tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth. These tusks grow throughout their lives and are used for digging, defense, and in some cases, as a display of dominance. Elephants have large, flapping ears that help regulate their body temperature. They can use their ears to cool down on hot days by fanning themselves. Their thick, wrinkled skin provides protection against the sun and insects. Species and distribution. There are 3 main species of elephants: the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. African elephants are found in various habitats across Africa, while Asian elephants are found in South and Southeast Asia, including countries like India, Thailand, and Sri Lanka. Social structure. Elephants are highly social animals and live in tight-knit family groups known as herds. These herds are led by the oldest and most experienced female, known as the matriarch. The matriarch plays a crucial role in guiding the herd to find food and water and ensuring their safety. Male elephants typically live in bachelor groups or wander alone, except during the mating season when they seek out females. Feeding habits. Elephants are herbivores and have a primarily vegetarian diet. They consume a variety of plant material, including grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. Adult elephants can eat up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms, of food in a single day. Conservation status. Elephants face significant threats, primarily from habitat loss due to human encroachment and poaching for their ivory tusks. All 3 elephant species are classified as either vulnerable or endangered on the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, Red List of Threatened Species. Cultural significance. Elephants hold cultural and religious significance in many societies around the world. They are often considered symbols of wisdom, strength, and good luck. In various countries, elephants have historical ties to festivals, rituals, and traditional practices. Overall, elephants are remarkable animals with complex behaviors and unique characteristics. Their conservation is essential to maintain the ecological balance of their habitats and protect their populations for future generations.